Hey Bulldogs, welcome back to the Dawg House podcast. I'm Izzy.
I'm Juliana.
And today we are going to be interviewing a bunch of the contestants for Grant's Got Talent. Unfortunately, our beloved host, Ganelle, cannot be here today, so we're going to be testing Juliana's interviewing skills and mine as well because I usually don't talk that much. So let's get into it.
We're going to have some fun.
Yes, we are. Okay, so who am I here with?
I'm Isabella.
And what has NHS been doing for the talent show?
So we basically organized all of it. As you can see, like all of us in like green shirts, we're like running around. Like there's people backstage helping like put on mics on all of our like contestants, and we're helping watch over the penny jars and like hand out pamphlets. That's basically it.
Period. Thank you. Okay, so what are the jars for?
So if you think that like a contestant is doing really well and you want them to win, because we have like prizes like first place, second place, third place, and then like audience choice, and whichever jar has the most pennies and like coins by the end of the night, that's who wins the audience choice, which is one of the awards that we do.
Okay, where does the money go?
So the money actually goes back to the NAHS group, where it can fund like more projects like this, like paint nights and Grant's Got Talent, and like anything else that we do in the future.
Thank you. Okay. Wait, where did she go?
She's right there.
Oh. Miss Lukemeyer, are you excited for the show?
Very excited. I'm so excited. There's so many acts this year.
Which act are you looking forward to the most?
I heard there's a lot of rock music, so I'm hopeful that some of them are playing music I'm a big fan of. We'll see.
Me too. Thank you, Miss Lukemeyer.
Thank you.
Miss Schrader, are you excited for the show?
Super psyched.
What about you guys?
Very, I'm excited.
Is there any specific acts that you guys are excited for?
I saw a little snippet on some of the video, and I'm very excited to see a lot of the Green Day and the band ones. Excited.
Yeah, that's like what Miss Lukemeyer said. I know, she copied you.
I'm very excited to see all of the students because I think it's so courageous for them to go out there and do this. And it's really cool to see things that you didn't know students had.
I totally agree. Is there an act you guys are excited for?
Probably the same thing as her. Yeah, I like the bands, you know?
Well, thank you guys.
Oh my gosh, Mrs. Laval. Hey, do you want to do an interview? No, yes you do. Yes she does. Yes, Eros does too. Are you guys so excited to watch Lance's performance?
Very excited. They're gonna do so good.
Yeah, I'm so excited about it. I didn't know until like a couple days ago.
Oh my gosh, yay. Do you guys know what he's doing or no?
We do. I do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's gonna do it his way, yeah.
Awesome. We're all so excited.
Okay, who am I here with?
Miss Weber.
And are you excited for the show?
I'm so excited.
Right. Okay, Juliana, start.
What are you most excited to see?
I'm excited to see all the talent that our students offer here at Grant. My students were hyping it up a lot, so that's why I'm here.
I love that answer.
That's a good answer.
That's a good answer.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Juliana, why didn't we do the talent show?
I don't know. You could have been shredding on the guitar up there.
No, you could have been shredding on the guitar. I could have been singing though.
We both could have been shredding on the guitar. And
Okay,
she
what do you
could
want to
have
sing?
What genre would we sing?
Just choose a song, Juliana.
I don't know.
I climbed the mountain and I turned around and I saw my reflection
In a snow-covered hill.
in the landslide.
Bring it.
All right, that's all. Thank
down.
you. Okay, who are we here with?
Walter White.
And can you describe what you just performed on stage?
I just sang Baby Blue from the last episode of Breaking Bad by Badfinger.
What inspired you to perform that number?
I really love Breaking Bad.
All right, and how do you feel?
Scared and excited.
Okay, well, we all thought you did great, and it was very funny, and you should be very proud of yourself.
You should be.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome, Walter. All right. Okay, who am I here with tonight?
I'm Lance Labajo.
And I'm Kaylee Feliciano.
And can you guys tell the camera what you guys just performed?
We just performed Something Stupid.
By Frank Sinatra.
How do you guys feel the performance went?
I feel really used.
Yeah,
obviously.
I think it went really well.
Yeah, but
Was it hard learning choreography and like singing at the same time?
We kind of learned it all in like 2 days.
Yeah.
So it was kind of hard remembering it all.
Yeah, during the school day we'd practice together, and it was hard.
It was like 2 lunch periods.
Yeah, but we had so much fun doing it.
I kind of noticed that the mic like went out. Were you guys like stressed out during that, or were you okay?
I honestly didn't notice because I couldn't hear myself. So.
Yeah, but
No, you guys sounded great. You guys
You
so
did
good.
sound amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, who are we here with?
Brady Nix.
And what did you perform today?
Glycerine by Bush.
You also played the guitar, correct?
I did.
How did that go for you?
It went just fine. I mean, I messed up a little bit, but I didn't stop playing, and that's all that really matters.
Were you nervous for like the a cappella part?
I was, but I thought that it really went with it, because when you really listen to the words in the song, you don't really hear it because the guitar plays. But I figured when I stopped playing, music is just poetry, and I felt like everyone could connect with those lyrics.
No, you ate. You did so good.
You
Thanks
did
for the interview.
Thank you.
Hey, who am I here with?
Phoenix Slovacek.
And can you tell the camera what you just did on stage?
I just performed Holding Out for a Hero with singing, a transformation dress I made, as well as a levitation wand.
And how did you feel your performance went?
I personally feel like it could have gotten a little better, but I'm pretty proud of how it went overall.
How did you manage that costume change you did?
I took some scrap fabric and I sewed it into a cloak of sorts and attached snaps that were half magnetic, half normal.
Awesome, that's very impressive.
And you're going to perform again, right?
Yes, I'm performing with SpongeBob the Musical, and I am also performing a second act, which is a duet with a friend of mine.
Well, you're going to do awesome, girl. Thank you for the interview.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we are back with Walter. And Walter, what just happened?
I just won. Wait, no, I gotta say it like this. I won.
Walter, how you feeling?
Terrified, and I feel like I'm dreaming.
Well, we're very proud of you, and it was actually, I think, the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life.
I'm glad you think so.
Very well deserved. Happy to see some comedy at Grant's Got Talent. So we're proud of you.
So, Walter, you do know that you have to perform at the pep assembly now.
I did, and I didn't realize it. Now I'm terrified, but I'm gonna do it.
No, that's okay, Walter.
You'll be great.
You will, Walter. Well, thank you very much, and good job.
Thank you.
Okay, who are we here with?
Sophie Dollinger and Audrey Simcoe.
And can you guys tell us what just happened?
We won Audience Choice. Yay!
How are you guys feeling about your performance?
I think that we did pretty good. Definitely some of the high notes went a lot better than they did before.
Girl, you literally ate. It was so good.
Sophie, how do you feel?
I feel really good. I think we had a good performance, and it was just a really fun experience.
I thought you guys had very good acting, and like your dynamic was also very good for the song.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
All right, well, we sure saw some talent,
Yeah,
didn't we?
because Grant's got talent.
Grant's Got Talent.
Grant does have talent.
Yep.
The night was amazing. Everyone did great, and I thought the places were well deserved.
They very much were.
Thank you for watching this episode of the Dawg House podcast. Stay tuned for the next episode, and we will see you next time.
That's a wrap.
Go Dogs!